Hello my friends, welcome back to another video after 4 long months, but I am back to do one of my favorite videos of the year, and that is DIY fall decor. You bet girl that I ain't gonna miss this. So let's just jump right into it. The first DIY is how to turn a simple container into a really cute, spiced up, farmhouse chic looking bucket. BT dubs. I was on Instagram live while filming this portion of the video, so if you guys aren't already, you should go follow me on Instagram because maybe I'll do more of these, and I do live stream quite often. Anywho, so basically what you're going to do is add glue around the bin with some hot glue. You can go with other glue that's a little stronger like E6000. I actually ended up using both just to reinforce the rope, and you're pretty much just going to glue, press the rope in, and wrap around. I used about 6 packs of the nautical rope from Dollar Tree to wrap this entire bin, and just so you know, this bin is also from Dollar Tree, so in total I spent $7 on this entire DIY. For the handles of the bin, I was thinking about cutting them off, but then I decided to add some rope onto the handles using the same method as before, and I'm also filling in some little bare gaps that were left behind so none of the bin is showing on the outside, and that is it for this baby. It came out so beautiful. I'm obsessed. This looks actually kind of expensive, and the cool thing is you can just put some blankets and some pillows, some fairy lights, pumpkins, whatever you want to make this look super cozy and give the ultimate autumn vibes. Next DIY is a pumpkin planter. Now I see people do this with flowers, but I wanted to do this with succulents because those are my favorite. So I just took this little foam pumpkin from Dollar Tree. It's one of those foam carvable ones. I removed the stem and a toothpick on the inside that was holding the stem on, and painted that a kind of minty green color, very farmhouse looking. Now this step is completely unnecessary, but I did it anyway. I carved a hole on the inside, not realizing that the pumpkin was hollow on the inside, so it probably would be easier to leave the top on if you're using succulent picks like I am, because then this happens, it just falls all over the place. But anyway, you can just arrange your succulent picks and flowers however you want. This is what it ended up looking like, and it's so cute. I'm obsessed. I love succulents in this way more than flowers. Absolutely love it. And the last DIY, we are going to take this cute little basket and some mason jar top lids. And I'm going to spray paint those a gunmetal gray, and then the mason jar lids a silver color. I know I did a really crappy job of painting this. I'm sorry. And in the end, you really don't see it all that much. So all I'm doing is taking the mason jar lids and gluing them on the bottom with some hot glue. Now, if you think hot glue gun burns are painful, remember mason jar lids are metal, so please be careful. Don't touch the metal where the glue is because it's hot, and girl, you're gonna burn your fingers off. So I just went in and glued all the mason jars around the bottom and reinforced it with some E6000, so just to make sure that the lids stay in place. And this is what it looks like in the end. Now you guys are probably like, what the heck is this? It's a little DIY wagon to put your pumpkins in. Oh my god, this came out so cute. I love it so much. I definitely need to paint this a little bit better than I did, but I went ahead, put some pumpkins in, some white ones and light gray ones to kind of match the whole theme, and it came out so cute. I love this idea. It is so adorable and definitely looks very like rustic and like vintage. If you're going for that vibe, this is perfect for you. So that's it for this video, and now it is time for Mandarin of the Week, and that person is Kristen Love. You guys 4 months ago gave me a bunch of music to listen to, and it was so amazing. It brought me back, and Kristen, thank you so much for watching and responding to the Mandarin of the Week question. Now this week's question is, what is your ultimate favorite thing about fall? Leave it in the comment section below, and one of you guys will be next week's Mandarin of the Week. That was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. As always, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!